bathi zigla majida amamela apha njalo. When I'm on a beat, bathi Highland run is sick, baby wam shima bo shima medicine, tini proud tata nam linda mnandi hlele phansi, flow yami njengamanje shit be licking on the mic, show me all her knees shame ufuna nje nimnike chance, hayi shame benga yazi uzoxelelwa ngubani, bendijola mna nosihle kodwa naye bengamthandi, ufune phone yami eventually bizophela kodwa ufune shortcut, uthi uthanda i-vibe yami chomi ngicela undehle angikhumbuli ndinezitez mna beat andidlali nayo cherry andijoli nayo ba ufuna uTravin uzomfumana kulo nyaka uzayo. Now you're on the waiting list baninzi olandela emva kwabo fuck your high hopes ungajika usemnyango gqiba kwam ndivala ukutango ndivala igate amasango fuck love amin uthando pitch emoji mfake imengo stack imani njengeleko cutha amehlo njengexhego ndibangene ndizenzele mfike nthathe uzanele if I'm bright ulinxele bengayazi ngiqikelele she's amazed nilixhwele in a store dance a mess she never assumed ufune proof ngathi wenza math calculations incorrect I'm a liar that's a fact solutions don't reflect expectation not deflect chill Travin you relax I've been through this experience when I'm on the beat but the Highland run is sick cherry wam shima boo shima medicine tini proud tana bani linda mnandi hlele phansi flow yami njengamanje shit be licking on the mic when I'm on the beat but the Highland run is sick cherry yam shima boo shima medicine tini proud tata nam linda mnandi hlele phansi flow yami njengamanje shit be licking on the mic yeah this shit be licking on the mic linda mnandi hlele phansi